If your vehicle is showing a U0100 code, in this video I'll explain what it means and how to go about fixing it. What is a U0100 code? It stands for Lost Communication with ECM or PCM. Basically, modern vehicles have multiple computer modules that all need to communicate with each other, as well as with sensors on the engine and other systems. When something interrupts this communication, the U0100 code appears. Troubleshooting this can be tricky, especially if the issue is in the wiring, which can take some time to trace and diagnose. Possible causes of a U0100 code. First, make sure all the computer modules are getting proper power. This means the battery is fully charged and the alternator is functioning correctly, since these modules rely on a stable power source to operate properly. You should also check all the relevant fuses to make sure they're good, especially any labeled ECM, PCM, TCM, or anything related to the vehicle's computer modules. Don't forget the OBD2 port fuse, particularly if you're seeing a no communication error. If you're getting other codes like U0101, the OBD2 port is probably fine, but occasionally the port itself can be faulty. A bad port can prevent your scan tool from communicating properly, causing errors. This isn't very common, but it does happen. The next thing to check is the wiring harness. There could be a problem like a broken wire, an open, a short, or some other issue causing the communication error. Often, a simple visual inspection can reveal physical damage, like wires chewed by rodents, rubbed through, or even burnt from contact with the exhaust. Carefully follow the harness and look for any obvious damage and check for opens or shorts. When checking the wiring harness, also make sure to inspect the ground straps. If one of these grounds is loose, corroded, or not making a solid connection, it can throw the computers off and cause communication problems. So it's a good idea to double check them and confirm they're properly grounded. Another possibility is that one of the computer modules themselves has failed, whether that's the ECM, PCM, or TCM. Sometimes these modules fail with no obvious signs, but other times you can spot clues. If you're able to open the unit, you might see burnt components, blown capacitors, or visible damage on the circuit board. Even if you don't see anything, sometimes you can smell a burnt odor from the board, which is another indicator of failure. While module failure isn't the most common cause of this code, it does happen, and it's worth keeping in mind if you've ruled everything else out. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, let me know in the comments below. If this video was useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.